This is part 7 of creating the color scale and proportional scale in our chart. And what we're going to do now is add up here the labels, or basically the text, to define how big or what this circle would symbolize. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going down here into our proportional scale. Here we have the radius already with this value, so those values need to be projected in here. So to do this, we can do it here basically. I think we can even do it within the for each here. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to say here ctx font. You can make sure we have here maybe a bold 12 pixels sans serif. Yes, sans serif, of course. That's the official font family from chart.js. Then I'm going to say here ctx fill style for the color, and this color will be maybe dark gray. This is of course a string value. So now I want to draw it, so I'm going to say here fill text, and what I need here is whatever the text is. In this case, the text will be the radius or the radii value. I'm going to put that in there. Next one is the x and y value, and here we need to figure out how do we get this position here. Well, let's see. We can probably grab most of this, and let's see if this already works. So if I grab that one and the bottom minus radii, put it on the y, save that, semicolon here, save, refresh. Alright, it works with a slight adjustment required. So we have this here. I want to push that a little bit up. So how can we do that? Maybe here for some text alignment, text center. Let's see if we can do that one first. So I'm going to say here ctx text align equals center. See if that would do any changes. No. And then ctx text base line. And we're going to put it in the middle. See if that might do anything. No, nothing at all. Alright. So now we need to check and calculate how do we adjust that one. Probably here what's happening is as this circle is starting to get bigger, or the radii gets bigger, we can calculate, or we can just do a simple code here. So what I'm going to do here, we have this bottom. We can say here maybe times 2. The radii times 2. If I save that, we are slightly out of place. We can say here times 2. It basically is times 2. They can maybe deduct here with 10 pixels. So if I do this, if that would be desirable, where is it? That's this one here. Minus 10 pixels. No, sorry. We say here plus 10 pixels. Let's see how that goes. To be honest, that's quite decent. We could go here more, or if you want to play around with maybe times 175. That is maybe even better. So it's just a bit here in. If I remove this plus, probably will be more centered. Oh, not really. I don't like that one. So in 175 or times 2, it's up to you. That's okay. I think that's fine. So this is basically how we can add up this, and what will happen if I change the value here again. You will see it will instantly match. Let's make this, if I make this 50, as you can see here, now it starts to change a bit here. And if I make this 100, save, refresh, of course now what is happening, everything changes here along. But you can see here, to be honest, those positions here are very nice. So in this case, 50 maybe is decent. You just have to look around and play around with it. But you can see that if we change the values here, this all changes. If we change the values on the packs to 50, you see that will change as well nicely. So let's put that back here. We'll just change the intensity of the colors, and that's it.